All right, guys, we are live. Another box of NT. Good luck. Bobby does the time carry. Feels kind of heavy. Tobias Harris, 75 out of 99. Tobias Harris, 75 out of 99. Danny Urban. And the 1/1, DeAndre Ayton. DeAndre Ayton for Roger Sowards. Timeline. Here's our ruler. Brandon Ingram, 43. Don White. Don White. They put a ruler in this stuff. Jaylen Brown, 1/10. Number 1/10. Jaylen Brown. Going to Roger. Jalen Rose, 99 out of 99. Jalen Rose. On card auto for Bobby. No, we've been seeing two, Richard. We've been seeing two. In one case, we actually had three. Aaron Holiday, 1/10. Again, number 1 for Roger. No, we haven't had a single case with 1 RPA. Fat Lever. Fat. Sean Suzo. Good old Fat Lever. Wow, that's really nice. 5 out of 25. Jeremy Wong. Rui Hachimura. Very nice. Very nice. Tyler Hero. 96 out of 99, Tyler Hero. Justin Williams. Justin Williams. And last card mojo, Cam Reddish. 3 out of 99. Daniel Romas. 3 out of 99. All right, guys. Thank you very much. I will get these videos posted. I will get some more stuff ready to run for tomorrow. Thanks again. Have a great night.